Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna cook king prawns served with pasta, and we have some spring onion right here, a teaspoon of sugar, white sugar, half of red pepper, half of yellow pepper, half of green pepper, 1 chopped onion, 4 cubes of garlic, oyster sauce, soya sauce, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, with olive oil. I'm gonna use around 2 teaspoons of olive oil, of salt. So guys, hi guys. So this is gonna season up the king prawns now. We have a teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna put 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. There's a little black pepper in it. There's a little touch of black pepper. You don't want to use too much black pepper because black pepper is very strong. So we're just gonna stir it, mix that right up. Want to get all of that seasoning, all of that all-purpose, all of that black pepper. Remember guys, when you're cooking king prawns, you know, it's very easy to cook. So guys, I just put on the pot on the fires. It's getting hot, so I'm just going to tip a little olive oil in it now. Just need a touch of olive oil. A teaspoon of butter. Just want to mix around that butter. And 1 chopped onion. Just want to get that butter and the olive oil in the chopped onion nice and brown. Four cubes of garlic, chopped garlic. Give it a nice little stir. You smell the flavor of the garlic and the onion coming out already. So meanwhile that is cooking there, just turn on this lid to cook the pasta. Alright guys, we're going to put in the prawns now. You don't want to overcook it. King prawns, I want to give it around 5 minutes to cook. Now we can just want to eat it right now. Guys, just a bit cooking for the last 2 minutes. The red pepper, the yellow pepper, the green pepper. Give it that beautiful color. Just gonna put a little bit more olive oil in it. A teaspoon of olive oil. You guys, you don't want to cook your pepper them too much. You want to pepper them crunchy. Sauce. Soy sauce. You put around a teaspoon. Beautiful. Alright, this is it guys, the finished product. King prawn served with pasta, cooked with oyster sauce. Beautiful. So guys, if you want to see me do another video like this, please make a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My YouTube name is Selvin Robinson and Family. So please share the video, make a comment, hit a notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want me to do another video like this guys, please subscribe to my station, make a comment, let me know what you guys think.